हे एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अनअकैडमी। तो बच्चों, आज मैं आपके लिए एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग, बहुत ही इनोवेटिव वीडियो लेकर के आया हूं अबाउट द यूज ऑफ वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर। और ये सिंगल वीडियो नहीं, एक वीडियो सीरीज की फॉर्म में रहेगा, जहां मैं अलग अलग फंक्शन आपको अलग अलग वीडियोस में एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूं अलोंग विद द एग्जांपल्स। बेटा, तो मेरा पहला वीडियो आने वाला है, दैट इज द अरिथमेटिक कैलकुलेशन। अरिथमेटिक कैलकुलेशन एक ऐसी कैलकुलेशन है बेटा जो हर ब्रांच के लिए यूजफुल है, क्योंकि एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन ये तो हर जगह आपको करना पड़ता है। और मैं हमेशा ही रिकमेंड करता हूं ज्यादा से ज्यादा कैलकुलेशन वर्बल होनी चाहिए, बट स्टिल कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डेसिमल टाइप कैलकुलेशंस यू शुड ऑलवेज डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैलकुलेटर। और बेटा, मैं इस सेशन को एक सेंटेंस से स्टार्ट करना चाहूंगा। कैलकुलेटर कभी गलत आंसर नहीं देता। हम लोग क्या गलती कर सकते हैं? वट एवर द वैल्यूज वी आर सब्सटीट्यूटिंग इनटू द कैलकुलेटर। तो डोंट से कि कैलकुलेशन एरर था। बेटा, वैल्यू पुट करने में एरर हो सकता है, कैलकुलेशन में नहीं। तो लेट मी फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। माई नेम इज अंकित गोयल। आई गॉट AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 18. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and I am presently working as a director at Unacademy for GATE department. और बच्चों देखो, आपके साथ हमारी टीम हमेशा खड़ी है, सपोर्ट में खड़ी है। हर उस बच्चे के साथ खड़े हैं जो ये सोचता है कि यार रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, रैंक नहीं ला सकते। तो बेटा, वो नजरिया बदलना है, वो सोच बदलनी है, और आपको वो पावर देनी है कि आप भी एक सपना देख सको कि यार हम भी रैंक ला सकते हैं। और हम आपके साथ खड़े हैं ना सिर्फ इस यूट्यूब चैनल पे, बल्कि ऑन द अनअकैडमी फ्री प्लेटफॉर्म एज वेल। और अनअकैडमी फ्री प्लेटफॉर्म में आपको मिलती हैं फ्री क्लासेस, फ्री क्विजेस, फ्री टेस्ट सीरीज, और आप कोई भी फ्री इनिशिएटिव एक्सेस कर सकते हो जस्ट बाय डाउनलोडिंग द अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप। और आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो फ्रॉम प्ले स्टोर और ऐप स्टोर। और वहां पे जब अगर आपसे वो मांगे कि इनवाइट कोड क्या होना चाहिए, यू विल यूज द इनवाइट कोड अंकित ESE। तो वहां आप अंकित ESE कोड लगा के बता सकते हैं कि अंकित सर ने आपको इनवाइट किया है। तो चलिए देखते हैं आज की सेशन को, चलिए देखते हैं आज की कैलकुलेशंस को। तो बेटा, सबसे पहले बेसिक चीजें बता देता हूं कि इसके फीचर्स क्या हैं। देखो, ये वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर का डिस्प्ले है। इसमें नीचे वाला बॉक्स आपको क्या देता है यार? ये नीचे वाला बॉक्स आपको देता है रिजल्ट, और ऊपर वाला बॉक्स क्या देता है? जो भी एक्सप्रेशन आप सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हो। तो जो जो एक्सप्रेशन आप डालते जाओगे वो ऊपर चला जाएगा। लेकिन बेटा, जब आप वैल्यू टाइप करते हैं, जैसे मान लो हमने वैल्यू टाइप करी 316, 316, तो 316 यहां पे डिस्प्ले होगा। और जैसे ही आप इक्वल टू दबाओगे, एंटर दबाओगे, इट विल गो अप, इट विल गो अप। तो जो भी आपका एक्सप्रेशन है वो बेटा ऊपर वाले बॉक्स में डिस्प्ले होता है, एंड वट एवर द वैल्यूज यू एंटर दैट विल बी डिस्प्लेड इन द लोअर बॉक्स। इज दैट क्लियर? द वैल्यूज आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन एंड द वैल्यूज बीइंग टाइप्ड विल बी डिस्प्लेड इन द लोअर बॉक्स, and the result will be displayed in the upper box. After that, there is the backspace key. This left arrow is the backspace key. Whatever you want to delete while writing down, while entering the value, you can directly delete using backspace. Then this C is clear. Whatever calculations you have done will be deleted, and your calculator will be good as new without any values inside it. Okay? So don't press C until you want to clear the display. If you just want to delete a digit that you have wrongly entered, suppose I have written 318 instead of 316. I want to delete 8 and I want to type 6. Then I'll use a backspace arrow. But if I want to delete the entire calculation, then I'll click on this C. Okay? Is that clear? See, the backspace key, I have told you the last digit entered in the input box will be deleted by the backspace key. The entire calculation, all the inputs will be cleared by the key of C. Then what is plus minus? Suppose I want to write minus 316. Then I'll write 316 and I'll press plus minus. So it will change the sign of the number. So suppose I want to write minus 100, I'll type 100, then click on minus. ठीक है? Let me show it to you. See, this is our virtual calculator. Suppose I want to write minus 316, I'll write 316, then I'll click on plus minus. See, Okay guys, now next is the subtraction. 514 minus 456. 514 minus 456. Again I'll check the expression. 514 minus 456, that is 58. Okay, so that is 58. 15.20 minus 7.51. 15.20 minus 7.51. Okay, 7.69. 7.69. Okay guys, so it is 7.69. Next is 4.73 minus 5.91. 4.73 minus 5.91. See, I have written wrong. Clear? 4.73 minus 5.91. These sort of calculation errors you can make while entering the values. So minus 1.18. Minus 1.18. Okay, minus 1.18. Perfect, perfect guys. Then multiplication. 314 into 521. 314 into 521. 163,594. 163,594. Correct? Okay, next one. 3.171 into 1.414. 3.171 into 1.414. 4.483 794. 4.483 794. See how easy calculation is. 943 divided by 21. 943 divided by 21. Also, if you see, I don't need to press C every time. I can directly start a new calculation. 44.904. 44.904. 4.641 divided by 1.621. 4.641 divided by 1.621. 4.641 divided by 1.621. 2.863. 2.863. Okay. Similarly, you can calculate the third part as well. I don't need to show it. You can do it now. Next is the fractional arithmetic. How will we do this? 15.6 by 1.32 plus 23.86 by 2.61. Let us try. Okay. 15.6 by 1.32. What else is there? 23.86 plus 2.61 plus 23.86 by 2.61. See, I have written the entire expression. 20.9599. 20.9599. See? Then 75 into 480 by 115 into 25. 75 into 480 by 115 by 25. Okay. Correct? 15 into 92 by 16 into 165. 15 into 92 by 165 into 15. Let me check, was it correct? Yes, 16 into 165. So I'll press a backspace key, I'll write 16. So I get 11.999 everybody. 11.999. That means you can always write the entire expression. Also try doing these calculations. Try doing these calculations like 81 by 9 over 72 by 12, 121 by 11 divided by 49 by 7. 49 by 7. Also what you can do is you can simplify it a bit. If you want, you can simplify it a bit like this. Correct. So that way your effort becomes easier. Correct. In such a case, your effort will become easier. You can do like this. You can always do like this. Don't always over depend on the calculator. Okay. Try and do some things by your own, and rest of the things will be taken care by the calculator. Inverse of a number, 9 inverse. See how it can be done. See, 9 inverse I need. So I'll write 9. Then x to the power y. I'll write minus 1. 1 minute. 9 x to the power y. 1 plus minus. See, 0.1111. If you want to change the sign of 1 to minus 1, you have to press this plus minus key. So 0.1111. Okay. 0.1111. 45% of 1500. 45% of 1500. See this percentage operator? $675, guys. 675. 1500% 45. Or you can write 45% 1500 because A percent of B is equal to B percent of A. So it is 675. Okay. Now what percentage of 400 is 11250? Try and solve it. Suppose X percent. Try and solve it by hand. Then X is 100 into 11250 by 400, like this. Now you can make use of the calculator, but the less calculator you use, more accurate you become, because if you do like this, it is very easy. 11250 by 4. See, don't always over depend on the calculator, guys. Okay, I hope you get my message. See, now let us tackle some problems. A cricket team of 11 players is to be formed from 20 players, including 6 bowlers, 3 wicket keeper, and rest of the batsmen should be there. 6, 3, 11 batsmen. Now we need to know in how many ways the team can be formed with exactly 4 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. See, if you need to have 4 bowlers, you will choose 4 out of 6. 2 wicket keeper, 2 out of 3. Then you need 11 players. You have 6 already. 4 bowlers, 2 wicket keepers, 5 batsmen. That means 11C5. 11C5. Now how to solve this in your virtual calculator? Let's see. Let's see. So here do we have an option of calculating combinations? No. So that means you can't directly calculate those values, but you can make use of this factorial. But for that we need to first simplify. 6C4 is 6 into 5 by 2. 3C2 is 3. 11C5. 11 factorial by 6 factorial, 5 factorial. Okay. Now 6 into 5 is 30, or you can say 3. 15 into 3 is 45. 45. Okay, what I'll write? Multiplied by 11 factorial. Okay. Divided by 6 factorial. Divided by 5 factorial. 120. See? After writing the number, you will click on factorial to make it factorial. So the answer becomes 120. That is how this factorial calculation will help you. Let's see the next one. From a group of 7 men and 6 women, 5 persons are to be selected to form a committee, so that at least there are 3 men on the committee. कम से कम 3 लोग आदमी चाहिए कमिटी में. In how many ways it can be done? 5 people are to be selected, 3 men plus 2 women. Okay, 4 men plus 1 woman or 5 men. So the cases will be from first 7C3 into 6C2, then 7C4 into 6C1 plus 7C5. Let me write down in form of factorial. 7 factorial by 4 factorial 3 factorial, 6 factorial by 4 factorial 2 factorial, 7 factorial by 4 factorial 3 factorial. This is 6, or this will be 7 into 6 by 2 directly. Okay, so this expression again, if you want to do it in calculator, 7C3 into 6C2, 7 factorial by 7C3 4 factorial by 3 factorial. Okay, then what do we need to multiply? 6C2 into 6 factorial by 2 factorial by 4 factorial. Okay, plus rest is what? 7 factorial by 4 3 into 6, 7 factorial by 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 plus 1 minute. I think somewhere we have made a mistake. 7 factorial by 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 6, or let us do it one by one. 7 by 4 3, 7 factorial by 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 factorial by 2 factorial by 4 factorial, 7 factorial by 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 factorial by 2 factorial by 4 factorial. So that means the first expression is 24 plus, then clear, 7 factorial by 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 6, 210. Plus 21. How much will it be? 255. 1 minute. 5 persons are to be selected, so that at least there are 3 men. So 7C3 into 6C2, 7C4 into 6C1, and 5 men is 7C5 into 6C0. 7C5 is 7 into 6 by 2. So that is 21. This is 210. And what is this? I think this number is wrong. 210 means this one is what? 35. 35. And what it will be here? See, this number is not correct, I feel. 35. This is 35 into 6 by 4, that is 6 into 5 by 2, 15. Okay, So now 35 into 15 plus 210 plus 21. 35 into 15 plus 210 plus 21. 756. Okay. So the answer will be B. A box contain, the last problem, a box contain 2 white, 3 black, 4 red ball. We need to draw 3 balls from the box and at least 1 black ball has to be included. At least 1 black ball. So that is 1 black. Okay. Then 2 other. 2 black, 1 other, and all 3 black. Okay, 1 black, 2 other means 3C1 and 2 white and 4, that is 6C2. Then 2 black, 3C2 into 6C1, 3 black, 3C3. This is what? 3. 6 into 5 by 2, 3 into 6 plus 1. This type of calculation you should always do by hand. 45 plus 18, 63 plus 1, 64. See. Understood? I have told you addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage and factorial. And one more thing that I have asked you to remember. Always after putting the expression into the calculator, check if all the values are correct and then only go ahead. Okay.